is, am I meant to be alone in life? I've never had a strong, lasting relationship until recently, only 6 months. Anything before has been more along the lines of a month or so. The most recent relationship, however, just ended, and it just has me wondering if I'm just not cut out for anyone. I really put forth the effort. Does anyone have the answers? Anything I could try or do? The older I get, the more this thought comes to mind, as I don't have a partner or kids. What I want you to do, and I'm going to look directly at the camera as I'm saying this, you are not meant to be alone in life. You do not deserve to be alone in life. But that's what the world, this negative world, has done to so many people. It's done it to me, and it's done it to you. So don't feel like you're alone in this situation. 99% of people, especially today, have felt alone in their lives or are feeling lonely right now. I feel lonely all the time. So if you're feeling alone, again, you're not alone in this journey. Nobody deserves to feel worthless. Nobody deserves to feel lonely. Again, what has happened to this world where the majority of people feel crushed? They don't feel happy. They feel alone. They have low self-worth. What is happening to this planet? Why have we let so many people feel like garbage? When in reality, everybody's special in their own way. As I always say it, everybody is special. But what are we doing to this planet? What type of culture are we setting in this world that we have social media? We're living a digital age where everybody can connect with anybody and we still feel alone. How is that possible? Why is that possible? That hurts me to even say it. You have friends in real life, then you have friends online. There are so many or billions of people on this planet, and there are people who are still feeling alone. A majority of people still feel alone to this day. What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? That we got people who feel alone, who feel like they ain't got no purpose, who feel worthless. I'm going to tell you, if you're listening to this podcast today, that not only are you special, not only do you not deserve loneliness, I want to tell you that you deserve everything on this planet. You are more powerful than you think. You are more powerful than you think. You need to tap into that. You need to tell yourself that you can do it. You need to stop looking at social media, stop following other people's lives, and go out there and go attack your own life. Looking at other people's stories, looking at other people's posts, liking other people's content, following celebrities is not going to do anything for you. It's not going to do anything for you. It's not going to make you feel positive, and it's only going to bring you down. If you're struggling with your mental health, you need to delete your social media now, and you need to tap in within yourself. You need to practice mindfulness immediately. You need to do that because, again, social media is always there. You can go back a month from now and look at their posts, but your mental health a month from now might be worse. Think about that. You need to prioritize your mental health now. The world is going to constantly get faster. Technology is constantly going to get better. When you see things like the metaverse, when you see things like the growing technology, it is only dragging you away from self-reflection and self-love. It's only going to distract you from attaining your goals and being happy with yourself in your true essence, in your true being, in your true happy state. You have to be able to love yourself if you want to grow in this planet. If you want to be able to manifest happiness, you have to be able to tap into yourself. You need to tell yourself every single day that you love yourself. You need to tell yourself that right now, I am in this state, right? Because we're in this state where we're low. We're in this state that we're low. We have low self-esteem. We have to be able to leave the past behind us. Leave your past behind you. It's okay if you failed in your past. It's okay if you have scars in your past. You need to let them go. You need to be able to look at your future. Stop looking at your past and realize the only thing that you can change, the only thing you should be thinking about is what you are doing at this second. Leave your past behind. Shut out social media. Only think about the future and what you can do in your life right now. Don't let negativity win. Do not let misery win. Do not let loneliness win. You are stronger than you think. You have more power than you think. And this is something that you can only get when you turn off your phone and get off social media and go within yourself and find your gem that's in your chest. Uncover it and go run with that. Go show the world your gem. Be strong within yourself, because once you get to that point, you will manifest relationships, money, whatever you're looking for, happiness, inner peace. You're going to get that, but you have to be able to tap into yourself first. Stop looking for other people to make you happy. Stop looking for other people's validation to make you happy, because that will never make you truly happy. You have to be able to tap into yourself. You have to be able to practice self-love. You have to be able to tell yourself that you can do it. You have to be able to love yourself. That's the only way you're going to get through this. Being alone is something normal, but what you need to do is you need to stop looking at your past and just move forward with your future. You want strong relationships, you have to be able to practice self-reflection. Then you need to move on, and then you need to put yourself out there. Find your gift and put yourself out there, whether it be on social media, whether it be in real life. You should go volunteer for your community, the church, whatever you want to do. Go out there and volunteer and show the world your gift. It doesn't need to be something crazy. Your gift could just be you. You are good enough as yourself right now. You just need to tell yourself that, and I'm here to tell you that you are good enough. You can accomplish anything that you want to in life. But until you get to that point, I can talk all I want, but you have to be able to reflect on yourself. Tell yourself that you can do it every single day. The next question